Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for dropping by. Hope you're all doing well. My name's Margot. Well, today I'm going to do a video on cleaning out some of my kitchen drawers. So, and they haven't been cleaned for a while, so I'll take you along. I'll just show you what they look like right now. Okay, this is the top drawer. I've got lots of odds and ends at the front that just, seem to just get thrown in there. So I need to give that a sort out. The drawer underneath is a lot deeper. So I've got a little bit of everything in here: Glad wrap, foil, napkins, plastic, knives and forks. So that's the second drawer. Whoops. Okay, this is the bottom drawer. Now I've got mixing bowls, mixer, paper plates and cups, little odds and ends. So that needs to be sorted out too. So I thought I'd take you along. So let me get started. Okay guys, so this is everything I took out of the top drawer. Just put it on my countertop there. So that's everything. And that's the state of the inside drawer. So I need to clean that. Okay guys, I'm going to show you now everything was in the second drawer. It's really a lot of stuff. I'll just show you. I'll just turn the camera around. Okay, this is everything that was in the second drawer. That's a lot of stuff. That drawer holds a lot. Look at it. I've got like, isn't that terrible? But I have to straighten it out. But yeah, that's a load of stuff that was in my second drawer. Okay, and now I'm going to clean the drawer. And then put everything back in. So here we go. Okay guys, I've took everything out of the bottom drawer and I'm just going to show you on the countertop what was in there. Okay. So mixer, some plates, cheese grater, mixing bowl, lots of plastic knives and forks, plastic cups. So it's amazing what I had. Well, they're deep drawers, so you know, here's what I had in this. That's what I had in there. So now I'm going to go ahead and clean the drawer out. Okay. Okay guys, I finished cleaning the drawers. I've put everything back in. So I'll just show you now what it looks like. Okay, this is the top drawer. So it looks more neat and orderly now. Okay. All right. This is the middle, much deeper drawer. Okay. So I've got mostly, you know, food bags, plastic cutlery, lunch bags, rubber bands. I've got napkins back there somewhere too. So straws, a little bit of everything. So that's the second drawer. I know it doesn't, I mean, it just looks neater to me. I know sort of things more than all mixed, everything's all mixed up, you know what I mean? So that's the middle drawer. Okay, this is the bottom drawer. I've got paper cups, some more cutlery. I have a lot of cutlery, but most of them have been opened. When we go away, like weekends, we maybe buy some when we got to the place we stayed at. So that's why we ended up with lots of cutlery. And I've got my mixer back there, mixing bowl, and those little egg plates on top. So that's the next drawer, the bottom drawer. So at least it's neater. And you know, I only had two things I threw, well, I'm throwing away. The Glad wrap and that little spoon rest, because it's chipped. So that's the only two things I'm going to clear away. They were just more in a mess than stuff that I didn't need in there. I did need, you know, I do need the stuff that's in there. So anyway, just two things to throw away, but I think I did a good job and I'm happy with it. Everything just seems more orderly now. So, thanks for dropping by. I hope you like this video, me cleaning some of my kitchen drawers. And I'll see you in the next one. And if you liked my video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I'd love that. And thank you for spending your time with me. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.